Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather week ahead, and we have concluded a week of quiet weather here across the Arklatex on this Friday. You can see a pretty sunset which took place earlier this evening in downtown Marshall. And as far as our weather pattern, we've seen a northerly component in the wind here, northeast over the last several days, keeping some dry air in place, and it looks like that is going to continue. We have what's left of Ian, which is going to move into the mid-Atlantic states, into the Virginias, and it'll kind of dissipate. And on the backside of its circulation, you can see that continuation of the northeasterly wind, not only for tomorrow, but through the next several days. In fact, all of next week, we'll either see winds from the north or from the northeast. That being said, look at the weather pattern, and you can see a disturbance which is now moving into the northern Rockies. This disturbance is eventually going to gradually move to the east and then dive south into the middle of the country. Ordinarily, that might be enough to give us some hope for some rain, but that's likely not going to happen, as we'll discuss in a second. Meantime, for the weekend, with the dry air in place, we will see the continuation of the sunny sky. Robin started a Futurecast showing you a clear sky across the Arklatex tonight. Tomorrow, we will see plenty of sunshine with, again, notice the arrows moving towards the southwest. In other words, the winds from the northeast, and that's going to continue tomorrow night, although the wind will become calm once again, allowing temperatures to dip back into the 50s. And both tomorrow and Sunday, we'll see a little bit warmer temperatures each day. You can see more sunshine on the way for Sunday. That warming trend is going to continue as that disturbance that I pointed out makes its way into the upper Midwest. Warmest temperatures probably going to be Wednesday and Thursday. And then as the feature dives southward, notice that we really don't have anything here as far as rain. And that is going to continue, as this will only reinforce the northwesterly flow above us, keeping the dry air in place through next weekend. And there's really nothing as far as significant hope possibly for the next couple of weeks as far as rain. As far as the latest on Ian, it did make landfall earlier this afternoon. The storm is moving fairly quickly to the north now. You can see the progress that it's made. Notice post-tropical cyclone Ian. That basically means that Ian has lost most of its tropical characteristics, but it is still packing quite a bit of wind. Sustained winds, max sustained winds, now at 60 miles per hour. And it, as I mentioned, will continue to work its way into the Virginias here during the next 24 hours. And here's a look at power outages as Ian has moved through the Carolinas. You can see both states, so 1 to 300,000 outages. Notice the number in Florida gradually going down as we've gone through the day today, so power gradually being restored to the poor folks in Florida. So your forecast here at home looks like this for tonight. We will see a clear sky. Temperatures across the Arklatex will be rather chilly, as we'll see 49 degrees tonight in Texarkana, 52 in Shreveport, 48 degrees for the low temperature in Marshall. Tomorrow, looking at lots of sunshine, slightly warmer than today, as we'll see highs in the low to middle 80s. 85 in Natchitoches, 83 in Shreveport, 81 in Texarkana, and 80 degrees for the high temperature in Linden. Look at your 10-day forecast shows that we will see temperatures continue to warm up. Again, middle 80s for Sunday and Monday, upper 80s for the middle of next week, and then some cooler air returns with highs retreating close to 80 by the beginning of next week. Nighttime lows will warm into the low 60s and then return to the 50s as we enter next weekend. So, and notice too, next 10 days, nothing as far as rain. So if you like the sunshine, looks like you'll be happy here for the next week and a half, maybe 2 weeks, as we'll see temperatures that will be warming up in the coming days, with temperatures back up close to 90 by the middle part of next week.